So we made the news again, and this time it was Fox 5 who came out, and they're presenting the story in the most powerful way. My name is Christine. Welcome to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I wanted to definitely give this update, and I'm really going to break down in the next couple of videos that I do why this particular code is so important. But first, I wanted to just say thank you for everyone who supported our family. Thank you to Fox 5 for sharing this information. They appear to be the only ones who really care about justice, and all you need is one. You don't need everybody, y'all. You don't need everybody to do great things. You don't need everybody to make a difference. You only need to trust God and know that it's taken care of. The law that is going to be in question, or the law that you want to use if you're a falsely accused person and you are going to court and hearing the prosecutor lie about the facts of the case, is going to be Georgia Code 15-18-27. Underneath this code, it tells you that you can make an affidavit before a judge, and they are to convene a hearing or present the evidence to a grand jury, and that prosecutor or even the DA can be indicted if there is probable cause. And so this is very important if you are being falsely accused of a crime and you're finding yourself going in court and you're hearing lies that you can prove are lies. This is the law that you want to make sure you reference, you use, you follow it. Get your affidavit together. You want to know what an affidavit looks like? Put in Georgia General Affidavit, and it will pull up what that affidavit should have in it, what it should look like. The document does need to be notarized. So when I went into court, it was already notarized because I didn't want any excuse for what I was getting ready to do. And I presented my case to that judge. She wound up giving it to the judge who was handling my son's case, and we're going from there. And when I say we're going from there, I'm going to have my receipts ready when I get my hearing, because I have concrete evidence that perjury was committed by the prosecutor. And so, what you want to do if you are in a situation where you're being falsely accused of a crime you did not commit is go and get your discovery package. This is why you want to know everything that they have in your case. In the state of Georgia, any officer interaction you have or anything that they consider evidence in your case, it is your right to have a copy of it. When you get a copy of it, you'll be able to see where they have dropped the ball. When you're an innocent person, they are going to have a hard time getting around their own evidence, because every time they turn around, something is going to be said or something's going to be done that exonerates you. And so you will have the ability to go in court, stand on your own, and offer the court proof that they are presenting false evidence, that they are committing tampering with evidence, tampering, whatever the situation might be in your case. In my son's case, it is consistent perjury. Consistent perjury. They go in court and they consistently put on the record lies. And so I don't have any doubt that they're aware that they're lying, because as the prosecutor was reading the first police report, she reads it to the letter. And then she goes to the second police report, which had gross characterizations in it, so many lies in it, things that did not match the first police report. And as she's reading it, she realizes she's going to start lying, and everybody's going to hear her tell the lies that their star witness has just told. So she literally misstates almost everything that's in that second police report. There were things that she had to add. She literally had to do a remix. It was just that bad. And so, I couldn't sleep that night. I got up, I put in Google, or I put into my search engine, like, what is the remedy when a prosecutor lies in court? And this law popped up. And it seems like it just came out last year. So I would encourage anybody, all you need is trust and belief in God, and God will direct your steps. That's all you need. God is going to direct you to the people, the places, the opportunities, the experiences, the laws that you need to get justice in your case. So if you all are planning on using this, please, or if you need to share this with somebody, please leave a comment below. Tell me about your case. Tell me what's going on with your situation. Share your experience. The lying has got to stop. The lying without consequences. You can't stop people from lying, but the lying without consequences has got to stop. And that's what that law is about. My son has been in custody for 1,002 days based on lies. 1,002 days, y'all. I have been without my son. He was 17 years old when he was arrested. He's a 20-year-old young man now. So please share this video. Leave a comment. We're almost at the very end here, but I'm giving God all the glory because I know it's already done. For us, we already know my son has been exonerated many times over. They have to catch up to where we are. All right. Thank you all.